How to add a robots.txt file to your Blogger website. Let's create and add a robots.txt file to our Blogger website. Doing this is important for optimizing your blog for search engines, so let's dive right in. What is a robots.txt file? Let's quickly cover what a robots.txt file is and why it's important. A robots.txt file is a simple text file that sits in the root directory of your website. It tells search engine crawlers which parts of your site they can access and which parts they should ignore. This file is crucial for improving your site's SEO, preventing search engines from indexing private or duplicate content, and for optimizing your crawl budget. Now that we understand its importance, let's create one for your Blogger site. First, we need to generate the appropriate robots.txt code for your Blogger website. I've created a simple tool to help you with this process. Go to the link in the description box below to access it. Once there, type in your Blogger website's URL, whether it's a .blogspot domain or a custom domain, it doesn't matter. But ensure you include or omit www when your preferred domain name. The tool automatically generates the robots.txt code for you in real time. Click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the robots.txt code. Paste it into a notepad or Word document. Now, you have the option to customize your robots.txt file based on your specific needs. Here are a few things to consider. 1. If you want search engines to crawl and index your label pages, you can remove the /search/label line. If you want your archive pages indexed, then remove the /archive line. But never remove the allo// line, as this ensures that search engines can crawl your main content. Remember, the goal is to strike a balance between allowing search engines to index your valuable content while preventing them from wasting resources on less important pages. To add the robots.txt code to your Blogger website, log into your Blogger account and go to your blog's dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Scroll down to the Crawlers and Indexing section. Look for the Custom Robots.txt option and toggle it on. A text area will appear. Copy your generated robots.txt code and paste it into this text area. Click Save, and that's it. To verify your robots.txt file, open a new browser tab and enter your blog's URL, followed by /robots.txt. You should see the content of your robots.txt file displayed in plain text. If you see your robots.txt content, congratulations, it's successfully implemented. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.